new chipsets coming out in these servers are starting to surpass the capability of air cooling. And liquid cooling allows that next level of high capacity cooling and heat dissipation within a data center. So it really is about managing high heat loads closest to the heat source. Also thinking about the effective utilization of your cooling infrastructure. A lot of chilled water is already in the data center from a standpoint of computer room AC units, and even in some cases localized cooling in the row, and then sometimes rack level. Moving forward, it's also about energy efficiency, because liquid cooling can actually add to the capability of the cooling infrastructure without having to use the power requirements for pushing air through the data center.